the workshop we hosted in the Imaginarium was about bringing different perspectives into light, into view. And so we invited the participants to imagine themselves as a different being or an element in a place that they felt really connected to. So yeah,
it was very beautiful. People loved it, and they became something else that they could find in a special place that they were imagining. Kara took them through a very good process of just bringing that being into their self and acting as that. And I think people were able to realize, wow, no, actually there are many other perspectives, many other beings out there that has other needs completely different to our needs as humans. And it was a really opening door for other design processes, which is what we are trying to investigate. So the workshop was really about bringing these other perspectives.
we asked two questions. One was, what do you love about the place that you're in, and what would you change? And there were some beautiful stories that emerged. One of them was the Holm Oak, who was there for 600 years, and that he knew that he could withstand the climate change and drought, but then realized that all around him the other species could not. So there was this sense of grief and sadness that emerged from his own experience.
And realization of how much that tree also needs the rest of the system, and that interconnectedness again, feeling it from nature. And I think that's what we are looking for now. How can we bring those experiences and in our work?